Hello students, welcome to my second video on the chapter construction. In the previous video, we saw that why there was a need to develop a coordinate coordinate system. Yeah, yeah, to define the position of any object, to define the position, you know, to position of any exact position, to define the exact position of any object, you know. So for that, we came up with a solution of coordinate system. So in coordinate system, we have two things. We have xy coordinates and then we have polar coordinates. So in polar coordinates, we use angles. Yeah. So we have seen in the previous video that uh, how angles came into the picture and why we chose one complete angle as 360 degree. Yeah, we chose one complete angle or full angle as 360 degree. We could have taken any other number like 400, 500, 600, or maybe 1000, but we settled on this value, 360 degrees value. Reason being, see, 36. Can we divide 36 by 2? Yeah. Can we divide it by 3? Of course. Can we divide it by 4? Yeah. 5? Yes, it is divisible by 5. 6? Divisible by 6. 7? No, it's not divisible by 7. Then comes 8. Yeah, it's divisible by 8. 9? Divisible by 9. 10. So, the 360 degree is divisible by all the numbers except 7. Yeah. So it was a very obvious choice to take 360 degree as one complete angle, because we can divide it into two equal parts, we can divide it into three equal parts, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so that was a very good number to take. Yeah, 360 degree is divisible by so many numbers, and that's why we choose 360 degree as one complete angle. Yeah, so this was the question which I also asked in my previous video. So moving forward, now we know the origin of angles. Then the next obvious question is, how do we construct various angles? Okay, we know the full angle. Full angle we can construct. One complete angle is 360 degree. This is obvious. What about the rest angles? What if we want to construct 60 degree or 120 degrees, or we want to construct 90 degree, 45 degrees? Okay, so let's first take this 60 degree. Okay, as first thing, we all know that in a triangle, in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree. Yeah, so if somehow we construct a triangle which is equilateral, equilateral means all sides same. If one side is 3 centimeter, then other is also 3, other is also 3, all the 3. If one is 4, then other is also 4, and the another one is also 4. Yeah, the only constraint is that all the sides should be equal. Okay, so to construct 60 degree angle, what we will do, we'll basically construct an equilateral triangle. Yeah, so let's see how we are doing it. So construct 60 degree angle. So first thing is, we'll draw a line of any length. Okay, then with a compass we'll take a certain length can be any length. Okay, we'll take a compass and mark this length. Okay, can be any length. This is my compass and I have marked this length. Okay, and with this length I'll not change this length. Yeah, because for an equilateral triangle all lengths are equal. This length, I have the freedom to decide this length. I can take it as 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, or I can take arbitrary. I don't even have to measure it. But the only one thing which I am going to do is I'm not going to change this length. Whatever I take the length in the initial stage, I will continue with that. Yeah, because we have to construct an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, we don't change the length. Whatever the length is, it has to be same. Okay, so once I decided the length of my arc, then I will cut an arc here. Okay, so maybe let's suppose for easy way of understanding, let's suppose I took it as 3 centimeter. Yeah, I cut an arc of 3 centimeter. Now again, with this as center, I will cut another arc. Same length. Yeah, I'll not change the length of the compass. So again, this length is 3 centimeter. Okay, now this was the center. And now again from this center, I will cut an arc here. Yeah, so this arc is also 3 centimeter. So what I will say that if I'll join this line, this point I'm going to join, this point and this point, I will say that this angle is 60 degree. How can I say that? Because I have constructed an equilateral triangle. See, if you look closely, this was 3 centimeter. Yeah, I had cut an arc of 3 centimeter. This was also 3 centimeter. And from this as center, I cut this an arc. So this was also 3 centimeter. Yeah. So basically what I did, I have constructed an equilateral triangle. And this angle, I have labeled it as 60 degree. Or even if I would have joined this angle, this angle is also 60 degree. Yeah. But as I have taken this line as reference line, this line was my reference line, so I'll say this angle is 60 degree. Yeah, very easy. So 60 degree is basically the construction of equilateral triangle. Then comes 120 degree. 120 degree. What is 120 degree? 60 degrees plus 60 degrees 120 degree. So basically, if we construct two equilateral triangles, we will have 120 degree. Yeah. So let's construct two equilateral triangles. Again, the procedure is same. First, draw a line of any length, then cut an arc. First, I'll cut an arc here, maybe 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, anything. This time let's take it as 4 centimeter. And again with this as center, I will cut an arc here. And again with this point as center, I will cut an arc here. So this angle is 60 degree as we have seen earlier. But again, I have to make another equilateral triangle. So with this as center, I'll mark here an arc of again 4 centimeter. And again, same thing with this as center, I'll mark an arc here. Yeah. So what I have done, I have constructed two equilateral triangles. Yeah. This length is also 4 centimeter. Yeah. Because for this as center, I cut an arc here. So this was 4 centimeter. And again from this as center, what I did, I cut an arc here.